This letter from the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office to the City of Brooklyn Center makes it obvious the two are at odds. Sheriff David Hutchinson wrote to Mayor Mike Elliott saying the city's actions have created significant confusion. That confusion centers around the law enforcement response to the peaceful protests that have turned violent towards law enforcement. Hutchinson's deputies are part of Operation Safety Net, organized to address protest agitators. Sheriff Hutchinson also wrote to the mayor about a request for the Hennepin County Sheriff's Office to take the lead role in the incident command. Hutchinson also addressed the mayor's expressing his concerns about joint operations while talking with the media. Mayor Elliott made it clear Brooklyn Center officers were not responsible for the use of tear gas on people. The letter also made it clear that the sheriff would cancel help to Brooklyn Center with the final message that he was writing to confirm his understanding that the city wants to continue the request of mutual aid. Now, earlier today, I talked to the Sheriff's Department, and they were saying they were waiting on a response from the City of Brooklyn Center, and I just got this response via email. I'll read it to you. The City of Brooklyn Center, Minnesota seeks to continue to work with government partners through mutual aid. Cooperation with the state and local government is critical to providing safety for all of our Brooklyn Center residents. Now, I will tell you that, again, the Operation Safety Net officers, they are prepared for another night of unrest. On our way to this location, we did see them posted up about a few blocks away from here. So now that we're under curfew, people who are still out and about, and there are a lot here in this area right now, they will be met with that same force that we've seen each night. The mayor, along with the officers with Operation Safety Net, they're just asking people to respect the 10 o'clock curfew and to go home and keep peace in the streets. Back to you.